Hello, this is a tutorial on how to upload your question bank on the portal. So you must be logged in as the admin or as a subject teacher in a particular class. So on the navigation, you scroll down as the admin. Under the online CBT, we have the question bank and the exam. So we're going to click on question bank. So the question bank, this is where you create your question bank, create your questions inside your question bank. Then you can use your question bank to set an exam. We've done the tutorial on how to create your questions in the question bank. So this is a tutorial on how to upload your questions into the question bank. So to do that, we click on add question. You can put the title of the question here. Let's call the title of the question first term mathematics exam. Let's select the class JSS1. Let's select the subject mathematics. Then there's a multiple choice question. Then we can now choose on the file to upload. So you can see here accepted formats. So we accept mostly PDF files. We encourage a different file method, but PDF is the best format that we encourage. So all you need to do is you click on choose file. Then let me select the file and you open the file and you create question bank. Now it just reads and it uploads your question bank. So irrespective of how your questions are, it creates it for you. Answers, select the ones that are options. You can now click on preview. So once it creates the question inside the question bank, you have action. Under action, you have the questions preview, print, duplicate, delete. So we click on preview. Preview is where we can preview our question bank to know how or the questions that the system sets. So it generates the question from the uploaded text or the PDF, separates the options and selects the correct option for you. So it tells you which option is correct for your questions. So at this point, you can click on add question to go ahead and add more questions to the imported questions. So, or you can click on category to create a category. You can click on import to import more questions into the already existing imported questions. You can click on edit to edit the questions, the particular question they are on. So if the options are not correct, the AI did not get the options or the question correct, you can edit any of all those things for that particular question and also click on add question to create questions. So this is how you upload your questions. We already have a tutorial for how you create your exams and how you also create your question bank manually. You can check out the video and watch it for all those particular tutorials. Thank you very much.